Before COVID, I was an automation programmer for rock and roll tours, also known as a stage technician or a roadie. Road technicians are the backbone of every concert that you'll see. When COVID hit, got an email with flight information home. That was about it.
Robert's world ended. He happened to see me on a Zoom call. He came to me and says, "Dad, I think there is an opportunity here to create a business. We're really great at lights. We're really great at sound. We're great at automation. We're great at backgrounds."
I just kind of realized there is a way that us, the roadies, that have this knowledge, we can parlay those skills into helping these folks still currently working. So that was the idea behind Executive Stream Solutions. Put my road family back to work, doing something similar to what we're used to doing, and being able to support our families.
When Robert told us about this collection of pro roadies, entertainment technicians, taking that detail and focus into an arena that's on your desktop to make a solution, a total package for anybody, I was pretty excited because to give somebody that much confidence in what they're presenting to someone else is huge, and especially in this new era.
We've designed these packages to be easy to use for the business person who may have not spent their life studying how to use a computer.
We're all about making people look, sound, and feel amazing. I know when I've got somebody on my team that can walk away from a call feeling like that, they probably have done a really good job of protecting my corporate brand.
Whoever wants to come on board, we're going to give you fair pay and really take care of you.
We are Executive Stream Solutions, and your image is our business.